So today I'm gonna scan this room. It takes literally a few minutes. So to create my application. So you can see I start to scan up here, and then I try to cover all the red areas. And normally I'll do it very quickly, but typically I'll take a good minute to do it properly. Okay, let's stop. Let's have a look. So I think we are ready to use this. Now I'll take the scan and bring it to EON. I typically do FBX or OBJ, so just export it. So now what I'm doing, I have my scan and I start to add my information. So I start to inject knowledge in this environment. I already put the equipment overview, the modem, the gateway. The way I found those names is basically using simple artificial intelligence. I hold it around this environment, and then using integration with Google Lens, I can get the names. So that's how simple this is done. So the way you add an annotation, you just put label, you put the name, so let's say cable, and then once I've done my annotation, I can just add video, audio, locate, etc. So let's say I have here some information, I can add it very simply. That's it. I'm doing the HDMI extender, it's up here. That's the HTC receiver, direct HD receiver, that's up in the right corner here. Now I have the Netgear fiber channel.
Voice, data, and video information in the form of light signals at very high speeds.
Your modem, and I will guide you through the step-by-step process that you need to do during the session.
With nearly 2 billion kilometers deployed around the world, optical fiber is the backbone of today's most advanced telecommunications networks. Cables that link continents, cities, and neighborhoods are air. It is comprised of two basic elements made of glass, the core and the cladding.
I'll help you to install or to repair the HD-based HDMI extender. As you can see here, the cable connections that you have to have in mind are those four. One here, you have the blue one that goes in the second outlet, and the black one.